your technical innovator, and welcome to The Marketing Soup. Today we're diving into something truly fascinating, the economics of pizza. Yes, you heard it right, pizza. Because sometimes the best marketing lessons are hidden in the most unexpected places. So, let's get ready. Picture this. It's 1999, you're in the Midwest. Family dinner time, the kids want pizza, you grab the local newspaper and bam! A Domino's coupon for $6.99 for a large one-topping carryout. Now, fast forward to 2025, same Midwest setting, same pizza craving, you check the Domino's online, it's $7.99 for that same large one-topping carryout. Wait a minute, how is pizza barely buzzed in price in 26 years? Meanwhile, Big Macs and tacos and everything else, prices seem to have soared with inflation. What's the deal with pizza? The answer, my friends, is a fascinating blend of marketing strategy, volume, and consumer psychology. See, pizza chains like Domino's and Pizza Hut understand something crucial. People see pizza as the ultimate budget-friendly family meal. And they're determined to keep it that way. Remember Home One? $11.80 for a large cheese pizza. That got me thinking. I started digging into pizza prices, and what I found was intriguing. Local pizzerias, they've adjusted with inflation, but the big chains, they're playing a different game. They're playing the volume game. Sell more pizza, lower the per unit cost. It's a classic marketing blitz. They offer incredible deals, even if it means razor thin margins. Why? Because they know you'll keep coming back. Remember Pizza Hut's buy one get four deal? They understood that once the first pizza was paid for, the rest were practically free to make. And Domino's, they've mastered supply chain efficiency, cutting costs, boosting profits. But there are more hidden fees like delivery charges have also played a role. And let's be honest, our appetite for pizza is insatiable. Billions of pizzas sold every year. They're marketing success on a massive scale. So, what's the lesson here? It's not just about selling a product, it's about understanding your customer leverage volume and finding innovative ways to cut costs. That's the power of strategic marketing. And that's what we'll be exploring here on The Marketing Soup. If you enjoyed the deep dive into pizza economics, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what marketing mysteries you want to unravel next. Until then, stay sharp, stay innovative, and suit up for success. That was